Hello everyone, let's understand data science roadmap in 10 minutes. So let's start. Data in today's digital age is a very important ingredient and a very important resource, just like a traditional commodity like oil or gold. The data economy, which talks about how data is created, how data is processed, and ultimately how it is monetized, that plays a big role in digital innovation. Let's understand social media impacts on data. First, Facebook. So if I talk about Facebook, 100 petabytes of data is getting processed every day. If you talk about YouTube, 500 hours of video getting processed every minute. If you talk about Instagram, 95 millions of photos and video are getting processed daily, and these are approximate figures. X, which process around terabytes of data every day, and last but not the least, Snapchat, which around 4 billion of snaps, that is videos and photos getting processed. Again, these are approximate figure. The real figure could be much more bigger. Going ahead, let's understand challenges in big data. Now, there are different challenges. The first challenge which I understand is the challenges in managing the data, again, processing it and extracting the valuable insight from it. Next challenge is one of the biggest challenge is the quality of data, because we are getting data from various sources, hence the quality needs to be checked and verified. Next one is integration, how these data from various sources can be integrated in one single form. And the last but not the least is the skilled professionals. Many of the time we forget that the basic foundation which we need for becoming a data scientist is missing, and I'll talk about it in the next slide. So what is data science exactly? So if we consider in today's digital age, our data scientist is a detective. So from a detective perspective, what would be his mission? So let's understand what are the things he'll be doing it. He'll be uncovering hidden patterns. Second, solving mysteries within massive data sets, which he'll be receiving it. Extract valuable insight using algorithms and different machine learning models. And last but not the least is transform raw data into actionable knowledge. Okay, let's understand data science life cycle, which consists of 6 steps. First one is data acquisition, where we acquire data from various sources, hence it has to be done very carefully. Second one is data cleaning, where data needs to be cleaned in terms of where we have missing values and many other parameters. There are some outliers and many other things. Third one is, as it is suggesting, exploration. We need to identify what is the pattern and where we need to have a visualization and which model to be used, which is done using data modeling. Machine learning model needs to be processed, but the important decision is which model fits in which situation, that needs to be taken care of. And next one is data evaluation. The accuracy needs to be checked on the underlying model which is being used. And the last one is about deployment. Once this model is getting deployed, it has to be gone on the productive cycle on the real applications. So which are the essential skills for data scientists? First one is programming. So you need to understand any one of the programming languages like Python, SQL or R. Next, understanding we should have about statistics, because data science involves lots of mathematics and a basic understanding is needed. Third one which we have is about machine learning. So you need to understand there are many models which are being published and we need to understand which model fits where. And the last one which I expect to a data scientist knowledge is data visualization. We should be able to communicate effectively the data in a visualized form. Let's understand importance of data science. First one is business insight. A big business has huge data, which is called big data. And to understand this big data, I need data science and to make a improved decision and an intelligent decision. Let's understand the second one, which is called customer understanding, where I can understand what is the preference of a customer and what does he wants. Next one is process optimization, where we talk about how process can be optimized and where the irrelevant thing can be omitted from the system, where data science plays a major role. Next one is talks about risk management, where we talk about future decision, future trend, and we can make an intelligent one. Next one is about innovation. Now to help and develop a future product we need to process lots of data, and where data science would be playing an important role. Let's see the data science application in different fields. First one is healthcare. In healthcare, we can use data science for predicting diseases, for personalized medicines, and for drug discovery, and many more. Second one is finance. Finance we can use for fraud detection and many other applications. Third one talks about marketing. We can use here for customer segmentation. Fourth one we have about manufacturing, where we can understand the supply chain and accordingly take decisions in the business. Last one we have about e-commerce. When we talk about personalized shopping experience, we can talk about predictive recommendation system for our customers. Next one we'll talk about the tools and technologies. So here we have different tools, which is also called as IDE, integrated development environment, like Jupyter Notebook, RStudio, TensorFlow, and many more, which is written here. There are some cloud platforms which can be used in according to the situation, and that is AWS, we have Azure, and we have Google Cloud. Big data technologies like Hadoop, we have Spark, and we have Kafka. Data science is a very vast field, and the future trends in data science is exciting to see. First one is artificial intelligence. What comes under is NLP. We have concepts like OpenCV and many more. Second one I would like to talk about is IoT. So all the connected devices around us has lots of data which gets produced, and we need to process that using IoT. Third one is about edge computing, how the data can be processed from the nearest sources. That is all about edge computing, which is another interesting topic to talk about. Next one is ethical AI, where we talk about how data can be processed in an unbiased way and in a transparent manner. Next one is generative AI, where how a content can be generated using learned data. Next one is LLM, which talks about how a human-like interaction can happen with the system. So what's the conclusion? So the crucial conclusion is data is the new oil. Second one is the insight. So data is the foundation of all the evidence-based decision making. So ultimately, if you do not have a data, you are just one person with your opinion. So are you ready with all the skills required to become a data scientist? Thank you. From Itvedant, visit the link below to schedule a free one-on-one counseling session at your nearest Itvedant center. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.